Let us start. Uh, Traveler Jesus,
Okay.
shall we?
Sure, sure.
Yes. I am going to introduce Ajit Tite and Sophie. Uh, I have already told, but I'll be repeating again. Ajit Tite is a level 7 local guide from Pune. He is venturing into the 3D printing profession. Ajit sir, can you please unmute and you can introduce yourself?
Yeah, thanks, ma'am. I am Ajit Chitre. I am level 7 local guide from Pune. I am professionally I'm a graphic designer, but venturing into 3D printing, which I dearly love, and hopefully getting into a good business after this COVID-19. Thanks, everyone. Thanks, ma'am. Enjoy yourself.
And welcome to the core group. Ajit will be in our core group and he will be coordinating in our core group. And Sophie, please, you unmute your mic and you can introduce yourself.
Hello, good evening, everyone. Once again, I'm Sophie, Local Guide 7 from New Delhi. Thank you. Happy to have you all.
And to everyone, Sophie is also joining our core group, and she is she's an educator by profession, and now she is into the travel profession. And over to Sophie, you can.
Bijon. Bijon.
Okay. Yes. And one more member joining our core group is Bijan Adams. He is working in a college and in the IT department. He is an IT professional. Bijan, please unmute your mic and you can introduce yourself.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
I am Bijon, level 8 local guide from Kokrajhar, Assam, India, and presently I am working in a government engineering college as a IT professional. Thank you very much.
Yeah, Bijan is also joining our core group and welcome Bijan. And now I request Sophie to take over the introductions of our attendees.
Yes, sir. So I can see here we welcome Vikram. Maybe he can unmute himself and introduce. Vikram, please.
Hello everyone, I am Vikram Bisnoy, level 6 local guide from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Vikram. We also have Rizal.
Rachel, can you please introduce? Unmute your mic and.
Hello everybody, how are you?
Hi.
Fine.
I am Riyazul Haq from Chatram, Bangladesh, local 7.
Hi,
Local guide 7. Thank you so much for
welcome, Rizal.
arranging
Welcome.
that.
Thanks being with us.
Thank you. Now I request
we have got Soumendra Prasad with us. Soumendra Prasad, kindly introduce yourself. Soumendra Prasad.
We can't hear you, Soumendra.
Unmute your mic. Unmute your mic. Soumendra ji, kindly unmute your mic.
No, he has unmuted, but even then we couldn't hear him.
Must be some
Can
connectivity.
we?
He's sharing what all he has done. All right. He is a very great environmentalist. He is doing for the community in their country,
Yes,
and he is
yes.
motivating to the MPs also. So he'll be sharing of some of his initiative, what he has done so far. It's because some people of you have already missed his session. It was a wonderful session. I don't forget because that day my birthday was also there. So I will always remember. So over to you, Shakir bhai. Please take a small couple introduction along with what all initiative and how LG can be taken care of. Over to you, Shakir bhai.
Thank you, Anil Bhai. My name is Sagir from Lagos, Nigeria. Uh, as Anil said, I am environmentalist, and I love to see this our world become a better place because we are the only one that can make it a great one. One of the initiatives that we do here in Nigeria is we take our time to go out and clean out our beaches because plastic pollution has become very, very too much in our oceans these days. According to studies, by the year 2050, there will be more plastic in our ocean than the fishes. So we see that it is now that we have to start doing something before we lose our one of the major source of our food, which is the ocean. So that's why we are trying to do the little we can to save our ocean. Thank you, everybody, and I'm very happy to be with you all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Shakir bhai.
Proceed, and in another
We have
couple of
got
minutes,
Riya
1 or
madam.
2 minutes.
Okay, this is the last introduction. After the session, we'll take up the introduction for the rest of the participants. So now, Riya madam, can you introduce yourself?
Hello everyone, I'm Riya Matthew. I'm a level 8 local guide from Mumbai, India. Thanks.
Thanks, Riya.
Anilji, add that she is our next host for the monthly meetup, please. Anilji,
Yes, sir.
mention about the meetup, next meetup, just in one sentence, so that she is the host, chief guest for June 21st meetup.
Okay. Friends, what all we have done so far, that will be taken care. Next month, we are going to have a meetup. Mr. Aslam will be our next inspirational guest. This month, we are having an inspirational meetup. We are having Riya madam will be our Connect Meet live guest. And maintaining the tradition of grooming group, what all we have done for the grooming 1, grooming 2, grooming 3. That's what about the LG Connect on 18th April. In 25th April, we have done for the badges of Google Maps. Second May, we have done for the badges for Google Map and photo for Google Map both. On 9th of May, we have done drawing board in Google Map and photos of the Google Map. And 16th May, we have done the 360 photography with mobile, photo with the Google Map and Google Map home page. However, this 360 photography syllabus was large, so we have taken it for 23rd May again, 360 photography with a mobile, and which has been extended. Finally, the concluding part on 30th May, 360-degree photography using mobile part 3. All right. After the 6th, we'll be having a recap session, and those recap what all have been done so far and detailed. Couple of things which I have already given a highlight. Over due course of time, during the discussion, our speaker will also introduce you, refer you, and sincerely invite now over to TGC and to the speakers. Thank you very much. All the best. All the best. Wish you very happy learning session ahead.
Thank you, Anilji, and good evening to all. So I would request now Gurupriya Madam to introduce our chief guest, Arun Prakasham Ji, who is also a close friend of ours. He has also presented one session earlier, and now I welcome all of you, and then handing over the mic to Gurupriya Madam. Please.
Thank you, sir. Hello, everyone. Welcome all to our 8th weekly grooming session. I take this opportunity to introduce our guest speaker, Rotarian Arul Prakasham. He is a senior LG and he is the chief coordinator of South India Local Guides community. He has conducted many meetups in which he has shared his knowledge to our global local guides. He was lucky to host one of 2 Google supported meetups in India, a big event which was attended by 120 attendees in Chennai. And we are also lucky. We had his meetup. I have attended his meetups, many meetups, and thank you, Arul sir. Really, it was a pleasure learning many on the maps. And one of his most interesting meetups was regarding fact finding and missing info meetup, where the local guides learned how to add facts and missing information in Google Maps. It was a great experience for the local guides. Fortunately, I was able to attend one of his such meetups, and in a short time, I could add around 16 facts, and I could immediately see my points increase in Google Maps. Now we would hear from him how to check the facts and uncover the missing information. Get ready with your mobile in Google Map mode homepage. As a Team India admin, I am proud to introduce him and request him to start the session. Please, Sir Arul, sir, now it's over to you.
Thank you for introducing Gurupriya Madam. I thanks to all LG team and Team India group, every members. And I say one word first in Tamil before starting. Today, June 6, 2004, Tamil language is announced a classical language. So I start in Tamil first one word. அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். இந்த பொன்னான வாய்ப்பை எனக்கு கொடுத்த இந்த குழுவிற்கு நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். Now I start in English. Thank you.
வணக்கம் வணக்கம் சார்.
வணக்கம்.
வணக்கம் சார்.
வணக்கம் சார்.
வணக்கம். வணக்கம். Vanakkam. Say Vanakkam is the right word in now current situation, COVID situation. Vanakkam. This is social distance. Okay.
And to add to what Arulji told, Vanakkam is the shake hand mode in British style, but we don't shake hands. Instead, we show the Namaste posture, and say, bend yourself a little forward and say Vanakkam. So, thank you, and over Arulji.
Good evening, friends. First, you open your Google Maps. You see under contribution button.
Yes, sir.
Click
Please
that. This is a new version, but who not updated, kindly update your map in Play Store. So this is a new version. I started for this. Click contribution. Click contribution.
Give some time, sir. Sir, give some time. All are ready? Can you chat? Are you ready?
And now I continue my presentation. Kindly watch on this. Go contribution and scroll up. Contribution now. Click contribution.
All right.
Yeah, now okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Because electricity problem and everything are coming on. Sorry for the interruption. Okay, scroll up. This is all are my recent activities. So this good. Check the fact. Click the check the fact. display on your GPS location area. Defaultly, they will display in GPS location only. So this is our fact checking mode. Some classification is there. First one is the food, and second
Sorry,
one
sir.
is the drink.
Sorry, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
you have to
Yes, sir.
you have to restart. We did not see from where you started. Contribution up to there we heard. Contribution
Okay.
we heard. Then you have to
Yeah.
kindly repeat
I
many
will come back again. No problem. I will come back again. I come back again. I go back. I go back. I go back. Open
screen
your
is okay. This screen is
open
okay.
your. Just hold on. I connect my mic. Open your map mode. Click contribution. Click contribution. Scroll up this menu. Last one, contribution now. You select contribution now. You select contribution now. This page will be displayed. This is my recent activities. It shows my recent activities. So scroll up. Scroll up. The more way to share. This is our fact checking mode. Check the fact, and one more uncovering information, and one more answer the question, and one more hire the professional. This is not used for me. We have used only 3 options: answer question, uncover missing info, and check facts. This is only useful to. I select check facts. I select check facts. I select check facts. I see. Sorry for the interruption. So we plan everything, but now calls only come. This is mobile mode. That is the problem. So go map. Select contribution. Scroll up. Last one, contribution now. Open this page and scroll up. Click check fact. This is display on my location. Defaultly, they display on this location. So if you want to check another location, you minimize the map, and scroll right side or left side or upper side. Which location you want to go, you can scroll up or scroll down or scroll right or scroll left. That location will be displayed. So that area you can go to check facts, or otherwise you go your location, your GPS location, click GPS, again my place display. So now my place now ready to available. Orange dot is check fact areas. This is orange dot is check fact areas. So you can choose the which classification you want to check the facts. One is food, and one more fun, one more business, and one more shopping. I scroll left side, and one more health, and one more transport, and common others. So this is a classification, and under the which fact you want you check name tag or extension or category or phone number or website or hours. Which one you can select the filter. First you want set the fact in hours only. You click hours. So they filter to display only for hours checking. So orange color one. You select any one orange color button. Pillai Ganganagar ration shop. There are hours correct. Monday 7 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Tuesday and Sunday closed. If you know that this timing is right, you click yes. If not a right time, you click no. If you don't know that timing, you click not sure. So I have this time, Tuesday and Sunday maybe right. Sunday is a holiday. Tuesday normally is open. So but they telling to Tuesday close. I think this is a wrong information. I select no. I select no. And now same one more places is display lovely cars. Lovely cars. Are those hours are correct. Monday, Saturday, 9:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. Sunday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. It will be right. Maybe it will be right. I select yes. I select yes. Next, if submitted, it will be automatically displayed in another location, another POI in automatically. So it is displayed in Happy Jeevan Health Shopee. Those hours are correct. Monday to Sunday, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Maybe it is correct. I select yes. This way to select in hours. I go back again. I relieve hours. It display all facts. So anyone, you select anyone. Sendil. What is the Sendil? It is a human name. I think it is not a business place. So I give the no. MGR Street. It is not. It is a street name. It is not a particular or POI. So does the place exist here? It is not a place. It is a street. So I can give the no. Sri Devi Srinivasan. Does the place exist here? The Sri Devi Srinivasan is the human name, not places for the. It is not a POI. So I can select no. Satish Stores. It is a POI. Store is the one shop. Does the place exist here? I don't know. I'm not visit that place. If anyone wrongly mark on it right mark, I don't know. So I select not sure. So next it will be display on next. Ipsy Chitty. It is not. I don't know. What is this? It is a POI or it is a human or others or in. I don't know everything. So I select not sure. So similarly, we can give this inputs in check tags. So particularly you know the shop phone number or a website, you select the website or phone number. Now it will be displayed three or four orange color button only. So I select this Nehru Nursery and Primary School. So this website address is right or wrong. So I click that URL, website URL. So that page is open, the Nehru School. This is right. Maybe the URL is right. I come back again in map mode. This URL is right. I click yes. Abhijaya Endless Banking and Cooking Classes. So they will display on the URL, web URL. I click that one. I confirm it is right or not. So the page is opening. The page is opening. Maybe this page is correct. I go again back. This is right website. So I click yes. This way we can give the feedback to checkpad. This is increase our points immediately in our account. So Andrew Store phone number. So if you know the phone number is right, you click yes. If don't know, you click sure. If no, wrongly mention the phone number, you click no. So I don't know the phone number, I click not sure. This way can use and check the fact and come back again in another option. I will try. So which classification, food or drink or culture or hotel, which one you want to select, you select that one. Either you want to select, check the all facts, you don't select anyone, it will be displayed on defaultly all check facts. So this is this is a check mode, fact checking mode, and now I am going to the missing info. You don't go the again menu. You don't want to go the again menu. Just you can click upper side, check the fact drop down box. You click drop down box. They display uncover missing info. You select that one. You select that one. Now uncover missing info is ready. So you want select food or culture or fun or anyone. I don't select anyone, but now they will display all category classifications. So which one you want to select for the category? Accessibility, you want check the accessibility, or food configures, or child friendly, or fun night, or quick bite, phone number, website, hours, photos upload. What is the photos upload? The photo POA is there, but till the date not updated any photos for that POA. I conduct one missing info photo uploaded walk in my area last 3 months back. So I select that option. You can see that area GPS location. I zoom in my location. This area, I go to visit this area only. Already I finished. Now available in this area, this PO is needed to photo. So I click an orange button, one orange button, New Roja Medical. New Roja Medical. You select that one. After, in front of that shop, you click the photo option, second one, photo camera option. You click that one. You click that one. Live camera or folder. You in front of that shop, you click camera and capture the live picture and upload it. So now this is, I'm not in that shop, in front of the shop. I go back again. I close this option. This is one more. And if you have the website address, you add the website address www blah blah blah. So you can put that website URL ID in here. After, click next place. If click next place, you defaultly go to another POI. So this method we can use to upload the places. Otherwise, you particularly select one by one. You select one by one. This is one more method. So photo uploaded is okay. I remove that one. Those are missing infos. I click on orange button. All mode is available. All category available. So I click any one orange button. Hot chapati. Hot chapati is the nearest place to my house. So what information they missing? What kind of places this? Someone marked up chapati. Category not mentioned. Select drop down box. It is a restaurant. You select the restaurant. And when this place open, normally this place open on in 11 o'clock, Monday to no holiday. So I select all option, click next, 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. Next, 11 p.m. So this is a time setting. After that, go back. No, don't go. Finish. I click the finish. So timing is uploaded and two more pending. Phone number. I don't know the phone number. If you know phone number, you enter here. Okay. What is the official website? If you know the website, you click to the website. After you click next button, it will be submitted and point will be added in our account. So this is Vijay Homeo Clinic. This method we can enter the missing infos. So last year I conduct one missing info and check fact meetup. That meetup is joining in Travelergy and Silvermoney and RSD and John Peter. Every person topmost in Tamil Nadu people are joining that fact checking info. Very interesting meetup. I just saw that meetup point page. Just hold on. I will show that page. Today I send this is that recap fact checking meetup 1.0. Those are participants: Arul Prakasam, Paraniyappan, Saravanajan, Bharat Sidhi, R.S. Dev, Traveler G, Gurumurthy, Aravind, Selvamani, John Peter, Sridhar, Anand, Babu, Arun Prasad, Gokula Krishnan, Mohan B. So that time I keep one record for point very how many points we get. So this is total point. Before that starting, first one you view this. This is before starting. My point is 65,484. So I added 440 facts on that day. So total points 65509. Fact 506. So this is that time I earned the points. This is all members get the point. So this way I conducted. So all are learning this are useful, or give me your feedback. Traveler G sir, please take over.
Yes, sir. Good evening to all. Once again, our team members. Thanks a lot, Arulji. It was definitely very informative. Unfortunately, there had been some technical glitches. It happens, nobody can avoid it. But then, thanks a lot once again. And we are back to our team. And for the next session, I hand it over to once to Anilji. Please make your comments and hand it over to Gurupriya madam.
Yes, sir. Like actually, Rosie ma'am has one question.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Rosie ma'am, can you please unmute your mic and you can ask the question?
So today now your BMP had made few list of our area where COVID is in red zone. So this fact can we see in the map also?
So red zone is declared by government only. So Google Map not display the red zone. If you want to drawing for your personal map, that is possible to drawing which area is the red zone. This is made by our My Maps only. So it is possible to display. You can interest to drawing that locality is a red zone. You can publish that in your friend circle or everything, but it is not advisable. You not declare this is a red zone or yellow zone or green zone. It is not advisable. So that time I am not drawing that location. Just your question, I show one more map. How to I drawing that one? It is my personal. I drawing that location for my business purpose. I show that one. Sir, Travelogy, sir, I can show that map.
Yes. No, I just wanted to know that we can check on the check facts, na? We can check which area. Only that. I know we can't do this because the figures keep on changing. People are getting all well. So that I won't do. Just I wanted to check that we can check or not in the
If it,
Google map.
yeah, red zone or yellow zone is declared by state government, but it is not possible to Google Map checking for the red zone or yellow zone. I think one government app is there, central government app is there. You can use that one is the best way.
Okay, so thank you so much.
If anyone have
Hello?
any doubt regarding this
Yes, sir.
session, kindly unmute the mic and ask the question.
Utilizing this little break, just to talk about what Anuji has told, when you come to more ways to share, that means we log into Google Map, then go through the contribute, going down and then contribute now, and in that you have to scroll down and take more ways to share. In that there are 4 menus. First is check the facts. Second is uncover missing info. These both have been covered by him. And next is the question and answers or answer questions. You can answer. Google will be asking you certain questions, and you can answer it, or it could be from other entities. The Google will be routing it to you. They are the question answers, and in brief, hired professionals are, in case if you know in your area or in the specific area where you are showing, if you know any professionals, it's sort of a new chapter what Google has added for promoting professionals or services in local areas. Not much has passed in that chapter. It is picking up. If I go to a salon and I feel it's good, then I recommend here. So those salons will be reflected separately. However, that is not, I don't think it is very active presently. So question answer and hired professional, I request you people to go through, and if there are doubts in our groups, we can answer it. Now, back to Gurupriya madam, you have anything to say? Or else I will continue with the introduction of recap.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, good evening all. And then, since I have a small presentation to show you, I'm going to the, I'll go off and yes, let me try to show you this slide. Okay. It's not a big slide. It's a small 2-slide presentation where I wanted to discuss or show you. Can you all see it? Are you seeing now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. This is, I just wanted to give you a quick view because we are taking certain, important decisions to make it a separate module so that we will attend you carefully. So this is CL21 World is a WhatsApp group which has been working as a continuation to Connect Live grooming group of 2020. So we had around 196 or so members in 2020, and this WhatsApp group is being continued from a selected team of people, and it's a Team India initiative for global NGOs. And our weekly grooming sessions are what you are attending presently, with a mission to groom global NGOs to better your skills in Google Maps and LG Connect, keeping Connect Live 2021 in mind. I am repeating. So this mission is driven by a team of members who are from Team India, and of course the Team India has its own administrative system. However, today we are discussing about the exclusive team of our Hope everybody can see it, right? Pramod, can you
Yes,
see?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir,
Proceed.
it's
Proceed.
visible.
Proceed.
Yes.
Proceed.
So CA21 Global, the Team India Initiative for Global Edges, our weekly grooming sessions, WGS series, weekly grooming session series, is a mission to groom global edges for to better your skills in Google Maps and LG Connect, keeping Connect Live 2021 in mind. Now, I repeat, we have started from April 2020 and we plan to go up to March 2021. So there will be 12 monthly meetups and 50 and over weekly meetups. So we request you to inform us in the first 3 months, that is April, May, June, this is the last month of that, the foundation or the basics that have been dealt, and we wanted to deal more of your questions and answers in the coming 3 more months. So the last 6 months we will be dedicating to exclusively to Connect Live 2021 by preparing dummy applications, and we want to clearly make ourselves clear to how to apply for Connect Live 2021. So this particular module, the weekly grooming session and monthly grooming session or CL21 World, is out of 50 plus weekly virtual meetups planned, we have completed 7. And today is the 8th session which we are running. And exclusive WGS team members are now getting settled, and in that the principal administrators, other than the Team India administrators like Jason, Satyaraj, me, we are with the mainstream so that we can spare our time for creating the educational documents, etc. So here is this team is now principal administrators will be senior LGs like Gurupriya, Anil Singh, and Ajit Tete. Ajit Tete, being a new member, is getting ready with the action plans, whereas senior LGs like Gurupriya and Anil, they are well known to you all, so no introduction. So Ajit Tete, welcome, and I'm sure this module or admin team will be able to support you well. Now, next, there are 3 administrators or team members. So I would like to say administrators because they are also part of the administrative stream. The new members are Pramod, Sophie, and Bijon. Bijon, along with Sophie and Pramod, are now spending more time, whereas Mr. Karan had some official duty, and from Monday he will be joining back. And Govinda and there are a few others who are in the grooming group. However, this is the team with which we will be going forward. This is one announcement which we wanted to give you, and now I am going to go back to I'm sorry, give me 1 second. I'll give you that. Yes, that is the recap. Are you able to see my recap?
Yes, sir. Of course. Of course. Proceed it.
Recap Excel sheet. Am I right? An Excel sheet.
Yes, sir.
Sheet. Okay. So that is where I would like to present you Anilji, the team of people. If you are ready to announce the series, because I'm not getting my screen, so kindly give me 1 minute to edit. I'm just stopping sharing and then restarting. Please allow me. Oh, unfortunately, I'm not able to see it. You are able to see it, no?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Yes, sir. It's visible.
Yes,
Okay.
we can see that.
Yes. So can we, because I won't be able to scroll it. So one of you just start it. I will come after, I have to exit and come back. So give me 2-3 minutes. Ajit Tete or Anil, or, can you just start with the WGS 1 and briefly, please?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It
Yes,
is
sir, it's
visible.
visible.
Okay. Unfortunately, I'm not able to see again. I'm just saying whether I'm able to, no, presenting. So I won't be able to scroll.
Yeah. So the first WGS, the first meetup, it happened on 18 April, and host was TG sir, and co-host was Raghav, and the topics were tagging in Local Guides Connect, as well as Local Guides Connect introduction. And the second, the second was on 25th April, and the topic was based on badges in Google Map, part 1. And of course, the chief speaker was TG sir. And the third, that was on 2nd May. The topics were covered, the second part of the badges in Google Map part 2, as well as photos for Google Map part 1. And the host was Govind sir, and Satyaraj was the co-host. And as you can see on the screen, the fourth one, which was held on 9th May, the topics were drawing road in Google Map and photos for Google Map. The chief speaker and the host was Satyaraj, and then the co-host was Jaser Hassan. Sir, if you're ready, you can take over, sir.
Yes. I mean, yes.
So Jason here. So followed by, we had a series of 360-degree photography sessions by Bharat D and Mahesh Salve. Those were hosted by Jazur and Bhavna in the second meet. And the third one was hosted by Karan. So these were three series of meets which have been conducted mainly on 360-degree photography. We started from how to take a 360-degree photography with the Google Street View app, and how it can be uploaded, how it can be connected, multiple 360-degree photos can be connected to each other. So all these have been covered in that. And following that is what the session that we are having currently. Over to you, TG sir.
Okay. Yeah. Yes. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Proceed.
Yes. So I will just quickly recap once again as started by other colleague members. We started the mission on 18th April, and weekly meetups continued or started with the tagging in LGA Connect was the first topic, and Connect as an introduction. That is LGA Connect as an introduction, where this file is going to be published, which has the video link and the chat link. That means, we will be publishing this in our group, and from next week onwards, it will be available in our meetup groups also. We will be publishing the links. For the second one was on 25th April, and remember, we are certainly going to load the documents also. That means in the tutorials which we have used for the sessions, while you see the video, you can go through the documents also, so that it will be clear your doubts. Now, going, that is as rightly told by Jason, we have some fill-ups to be completed, whereas Govinda and Satyaraj, Jason, Jasor. So the host of this week, the co-host of this week will be the main host of the next week, because this Google approval process also being trained to this LGs. So in nutshell, this is the recap getting ready, and we opted 7 because we will have around 47, 49, 50 plus of weekly meetups, and 777 we will be repeating the recap so that you can get an idea about what has happened. This should be able to help new joining LGs also after 1 month or after 3 months or after 4 months. This will help you what has happened in the group. However, the monthly series of meetups are not included in this. This is only the weekly series. As you know, monthly series, the first one was done by Archit, and the second one was done by Salman Nawaz, and the third will be done by Ria Matthew. So let's understand that,
Okay, thanks, Anil. So can I request Arna ma'am to unmute and introduce herself, please?
Hi, everybody. Good morning, my time, and good evening over there. I'm Erna from Michigan, USA. I'm level 8. I know I'm in way too late. I got personal things I got to do, making coffee and everything. Thank you for having me here, guys.
Welcome.
Welcome, Arna ma'am. No issues. The presence is guided for us. So now we have Evade with us. Can you introduce yourself, Evade? Unmute yourself. Thanks.
Evade? Evade, can you hear us?
So should we move?
Yes, move.
Narayan Katkade, can you please introduce yourself? Thanks. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. I'm Narayan Katkade from Solapur, Maharashtra, and level 6.
Welcome.
Thank you. Good evening.
Welcome,
Good
Narayan.
evening to all.
Welcome, Narayan.
Okay.
Pleasure is
Thank you,
all ours.
Okay.
Neeta ma'am, can you introduce now?
Hello, this is Deepta BC from New Delhi, India, level 9. Thank you.
Thank you, Neeta ma'am. Thank you very much. So we have Jasur Hassan.
Good evening, everyone. Sorry for joining late, first of all. My name is Sayed Jasur, and I'm a local guide, level 8 local guide. I'm from Bangalore. It's nice to have you, everyone. And it's Sir Guru Priyaman. Thank you.
Now we have Shruti ma'am. Thanks, Shruti ma'am. Can you introduce, please?
Namaskar, I am Shruti from Mumbai, India, level 10 local guide. Thank you.
Thank you, Shruti ma'am. Thank you very much. Now we have Vikram Singh Valera. Can you unmute yourself and introduce, sir?
Good evening, everyone. Myself Vikram Singh Valera. I am from Jaipur, Rajasthan. I am local guide level 7. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Vikram Singh. Thank you very much. Is anyone left? Can anybody cover?
Rosie ma'am.
Rosie ma'am, please.
Yeah. Hi everyone, I'm Rosie Kohli, local guide level 7 from Mumbai, India. Thank you. And thank you all of you for the awesome session. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rosie ma'am. Thank you very much. Sorry I missed you.
Rosie ma'am, we are also learning with you.
Mr.
Ma'am.
Yes, Anil sir.
Yes, I've learned a lot. new things, taking facts.
Yeah, we all are learning a lot.
Yeah, we all are learning. This is a wonderful session, actually. . Evade, can you
Mr.
hear us?
Yes Pratap Singh. Yes Pratap Singh. Office, probably she cannot introduce her.
I think, yeah, she must be.
So, Evade, can you introduce in your chat box? Or either you can unmute and introduce yourself. Next, Yes Pratap Singh, have you introduced yourself? Over to Ajit sir.
Yes, Pratap Singh. I can't see him there. But if he's there, can you please introduce? Moji, I don't know. Satyavak, sir.
Hello.
Yes.
I request
can I
each
say
one of
something?
you, though it is a routine, has been kindly connected. Yes, ma'am. Yes, Neeta madam, over to you.
I just, Rosie had asked about COVID hotspots. I have given a link
Go
there.
ahead,
If
Neeta
she can
madam,
have
go
a
ahead.
look at it. Hi, good afternoon. I had given a Rosie. I think Ivani is speaking. So will I go ahead? Just say that.
Yeah, Neeta ma'am, you can go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead, Nida madam.
No, Rosie had asked something about COVID hotspots on the map. So I've got a link which I've already given in the chat. If Rosie can have a look at it, she will. She has to just fill in the address, and it comes on. So it will be useful for her, and I think it will be useful for everybody who's interested. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. We'll share that along.
Thanks, Neeta. I saw the link just now. Thank you.
Yes, Evade, you can speak now. You can introduce
You're
yourself.
welcome, dear.
Evade, can you hear us?
Yes, Evade. Unmute your mic and you please introduce.
I think there's a connectivity issue.
Yes, that's a problem.
So continue,
No,
ma'am.
I'm sorry. Good
Yes, she's there.
afternoon.
Hello, everybody. How are you?
I'm fine.
There she is.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good
Good
evening.
evening. Yeah.
Hi, Evade.
My name is Eva Day. My name is Eva Day from Mumbai. I live in Nigeria. Yeah. I'm not happy about today's session because I did not hear anything. The line was just breaking throughout, and I really could not follow up. I don't know if it's network or it's something, but it was difficult to follow today's session.
Oh, yeah, sorry about
So
that.
I want to say kudos to the organizer. And I don't know, Guru Ma'am, you were meant to present today. What happened? You didn't say
I am
anything.
here only. I am here only. Can you hear
Oh, I
me?
actually thought you were going to be one of the speakers today.
Yeah, I spoke in the beginning.
Oh, really? Oh, I must have missed that. All right. And I was very impressed with all of SARS statistics, 7 million, 1 million views. I just wish all of those could be converted to money anyway. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah. Thanks a lot, everybody.
Thanks a lot.
Anil sir? Is he? Hello?
Yeah, hello. Tell me, madam. Tell me. The answer is not there. Maybe.
Okay, Pramod, you.
I already contact teachers, sir. Something happened that in the connectivity. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Shall we proceed with the session? I will once again call you, man.
Okay.
thanks a lot. And unfortunately, the power broke up today. So thanks a lot. We will improve the infrastructure for the next week because we know the monsoon is on and we have to have different backups. But once again, thanks to you all. We had more than 30 members for this meetup. And thanks individually everybody who had taken the strain to come and attend during this tough weather. And thank Arulji and all of you once again. And those who want to continue chat or discussions, please continue. We need not, roll out of or log out of the link. Those who want to discuss can continue. And the seniors or other team members who want to leave, kindly leave.
So do you want to
have
a vote of thanks?
Yeah, I will, sir. First of all, I introduce myself because in the beginning I forgot to introduce myself. But during that, I am giving the message to all group for the today's virtual meetup. So once again, good evening to all. Today we successfully completed our 8th weekly grooming section. Now we got more extra idea about that. What about that? How to add the check fact and missing fact, all the things from our guest speaker Arul Prakasham sir. And we discussed about whatever the previous section we gone. If anyone have any doubt or something like, we already pin in the group the link with all the section. We can proceed with that. Okay. Anyway, I thanks to all the for this guidance for TG sir and Anil sir and all, and a big thanks to all our participants and all the senior LGs for giving your valuable time. Thank you all.